but still it's on the verge of that stuff, and that's how nodules are developed, is when people sing when they're both infected, because you've basically got an infection on either side of your vocal cords, and then they rub together.
Yeah, and stuff.
And then they normally hemorrhage, normally bleed, and then hard tissue scarring develops, and then you're in big trouble.
Awesome.
So, but you look at all that, you can Google, ladies and gentlemen, Google all the famous people that had nodules or hemorrhages, and you name it, man, everyone. Neil Young, Axl Rose, Celine Dion, Mariah Carey.
I had nodules years ago, and I went to a voice specialist, a guy in Carlton. I can't remember his name now, but yeah,
Neil Valance.
Yeah, that's him. Yeah, him. And I think
my ESP's working.
Yeah, and and
I don't know, he's good.
Yeah, he's
and Debbie
really
Filan.
Yeah, she was with him. Yeah, and I think it was like, and we had a gig, and we had to cancel a gig, and I think it was like 3 weeks or something of just virtually nothing. And then I had to go back, and it all came back eventually. But yeah, I was in trouble because I was going to rehearsal and singing for 5 minutes, and I'd lose my voice completely after 5 minutes. And I was like, "What the hell's going on?"
Yeah, the only way that you can get rid of it, a callus is exactly like working in the garden without any gloves. It's just banging together on the same spot and builds up a wart, basically.
Yeah, right.
And it ends up sticking out from your vocal cords. They don't come together properly. So, and then it can also irritate the other side. Sometimes you get jewel. And so the way is to not work in the garden without any gloves. It will go down. So no singing no speaking as well too.
Yeah.
So deserted island for a couple of weeks, or they go in now. They whip them off with a laser.
Oh right.
So, but Julie Andrews had that, and then she was one of the first ones that they effed that operation up with. That's why she couldn't sing after it. So that's just some thing with Julie Andrews. But
there you go.